यशा, आज आपने जो गेम खेला, आज आपका पहला गेम था एज ए वुमेंस क्रिकेट टीम जो हिंदू टेम्पल कम्युनिटी ने ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया था और आपने ब्रिलियंट फील्डिंग किया है, वहाँ आपने डाइव लगा करके बाउंड्रीज भी सेव की हैं अपनी टीम के लिए। सो मेरा क्वेश्चन आपके लिए कि आप इस प्रोजेक्ट से जुड़े हैं और आपकी टीम में लोग खेल रहे हैं, सो इस प्रोजेक्ट में अगर हमें और लोगों को बुलाना है और फीमेल्स को अट्रैक्ट करना है तो उसके लिए हमें क्या करना चाहिए?
थैंक यू फॉर गिव मी द चांस कि आपने इतना अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म मुझे दिया। मोर देन 20 ईयर के बाद मैं यहाँ खेल रही हूँ। इट्स वेरी बिग अपॉर्चुनिटी टू मी कि रीस्टार्ट करने का मौका मिला। आई अप्रिशिएट टेम्पल, दे गिव द चांस टू वुमेन्स कम आउट एंड प्ले, क्योंकि इंडिया से आने के बाद बहुत सारी लड़कियाँ होती जो इंडिया में नहीं खेल पाती, यहाँ भी उनको मौका नहीं मिलता और टेम्पल ने उनको वही प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड किया कि वो आए और खेलें। और जहाँ तक इसकी बात की हमें और लोगों को इंक्लूड करना चाहिए, तो हमें फर्स्ट आई रिक्वेस्ट कि वी नीड टू सम फंड टू रेज द फंड टू बिल्ड आवर टीम एंड रिक्वेस्ट टू पीपल दे कम join us. We try to promote our team. We requesting to everyone, please, our friend, family, we are playing here, you come and join, they cheer up us, make a big team.
Good. और आज आपने जो फील्डिंग किया है उसके बाद आप ठीक हैं, फिट रहेंगे
Yeah,
अगले गेम के
I'm
लिए?
okay.
Good. Thank you so
you.
much, Yasha, for your match today.
Thank you for the temple, give me the chance for this.
Thanks. Thank you, Shweta. You had played a fantastic game today, well batted. The one question for you, with this project in place, because this is first time this Hindu community and Derby Temple is trying to organize this project, what do you think, how are we going to attract more people to come and join us into this engaging this our community, especially the female cricket?
Yeah, I mean, firstly, thank you very much, guys, for organising it. Absolutely brilliant initiative, especially for women. I support a lot of women initiatives, to be fair, with work. I'm a Barclays Regional Manager, Central England, so I look after women business initiative, and I think initiatives like this are needed far and wider, and that was one of the reasons why I joined it, because I wanted women empowerment. I wanted to make sure that women can step out in the field and do what they want to do. And I think to get a wider reach, we need to be sharing what we've done today, what we've achieved as a woman. They played well, but we only been like a month-old team, I would say, but we did really well for a month-old. And to women empowerment, we should continue doing this. And I want to thank Temple, because initiatives like this have not been here before. I've been here for 20 years and absolutely loved it when I saw the poster in the temple saying, if you want to play cricket, come and join us. Those initiatives are much needed in the community. So thank you, guys.
Thank you so much, Shweta. Have a fantastic game. Cheers. Thank you, Kanupriya. You had a fantastic game today, and it was the first team game for women's cricket team organized by Hindu Temple community. So I'm going to ask for you to your views about today's game, and is there anything you would like to change or you think that we can improve as this cricket project, what is happening and organized by this Hindu Temple community?
Okay, very nice question actually. I am actually very happy. As a team, we played amazingly today. It was our first game. We lasted 30 overs, so a very, very big thing for our team. The only thing that I can think of currently is I've told it to Pradyuman as well, we desperately need a kit. A very small, simple kit, which is bats and balls for now. We already have the other training equipment. And other than that, I'm actually very impressed and very happy with this project that the Hindu Cultural Temple is working on. And I'm like very excited to see where it takes the women's cricket from here.
Thank you so much and all the best for your next game.
Thank you, Pradyuman. Thank you so much.
So let me welcome our captain of a women's cricket team organized by the Hindu Temple community. So Mani,
Hello.
first of all, many congratulations for your engagement which happened yesterday.
Thank you.
And I'm really proud and really appreciative of turn up for the match, which is the first game ever we played for the Hindu Temple women's cricket team.
Yeah.
So I have a few questions for you.
Okay.
So tell us more about this cricket project you've been involved on this women's cricket team. How do you find it so far?
Oh, I think it's really a good opportunity for all the ladies. Like everybody can get together and they have a friendly matches. Even ever today, we can have more practice as well. So I think it's really good for the ladies. They get the opportunity now.
Yeah. So I also learned you've been practicing. You're not practicing for so many years. You started just couple
Just
of
for a
weeks.
month
Just for a month. So
Yeah.
what are your views about the training, coaching, and practice session you've been doing last few weeks?
Yeah, so last few weeks it's been a really good. Like we had some like everybody, like we're not professionals, so everybody's to get a chance to know the rules of the cricket. I know we watch the cricket, but we never played. So basically, yeah, it's been a good opportunity for all the ladies. So it's been a really support from all the. This is our coach now, so he's guided us really well. So we have two more coaches, Nithan and Achin. They give us a really good instructions as well. So yeah, it was good.
Thank you so much for saying the good words about the coaching.
It was good though. Yeah.
So I also understood you've been to other games organized by the Hindu Temple community, because not just women cricket team, they also set up the men's team, the juniors team as well. Have you been to other games?
Yes, I almost been to all the games because my fiance is in the men's team, so I think I've attended all the matches.
So we can say the match happened in the cricket.
Yes, definitely.
So how do you think like this is initiative taken by the temple community, the trustees and the committee members? How do you think they're supporting this initiative, and what else support you need from them on this initiative?
I think they are very supportive. They come to all the some of them they come to the practice as well, and whenever it was all the matches against the clubs, they all attended all the matches. I think it's really good. So I think we need more practice session, and they can aware all the ladies as well about the cricket, so we can have a more chance as well.
No. Unfortunately, you lost today, but your team played brilliantly.
Thank
You
you.
gave them the fight till the last
Thank you.
over.
Like I said, we're not professional. It was just a one match. It was first friendly match, and then we played against the club. So they practice like every other day. So we only practice like once a week. But we did a good. We give them a good tough fight. So
Now
I
you
think-
gave them a fantastic fight, and I wish you
Yeah.
all the best for your
Thank
next
you.
game.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Risha. It was your first game from this Hindu community women's cricket team. You lost, but it's okay. It's a part of the winning and losing the game. So my question to you, it is your first time you played cricket with the women's cricket team. How do you think we could expand our squad and attract more female players to join this group and play?
Actually, it was a beautiful initiative by the Derby Hindu Temple. So they're like, we could bring it into social media right now, and it's like popular. The Instagram, Twitter, we can just put some shorts video of the girls playing in, and then bring in more attention so that, yeah. I mean, Indians love cricket. It's just like we won the World Cup right now, so it's like in the hype. So social media, and then just passing on to friends, families, and then through WhatsApps and more, just like advertising.
And you are the youngest player of this team. How do you find how other females treated you? How do you feel it?
They're just so such a lovely people, and they're like a family now. So I feel so loved and protected.
Thank you so much, Shisha. It's nice talking to you today.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Mani. You had a fantastic game today as a women's cricket team organized by the Hindu Temple community. I will have two questions for you. So how often do you visit the temple? Because you're playing the cricket here, so I'm just wondering how often you go to the temple.
I try to go as much as I can, and regularly we go on a Sunday because we do the seva for the breakfast club, and that's where we get a lot of devotees and sevadars all get together, and we get a lot of turnout, and people are really happy because they get good food, and they get the latest updates what happened in the mandir, and yes.
So in our temple, we got only one priest, and I think he's been serving for a long time.
Yeah.
How do you find he supporting this women cricket team, the cricket project, and treating everyone when you visit the temple?
Well, he's always giving blessings no matter what we do, whether we're doing cricket, whether it's rugby, whether it's basketball, anything, he'll always give his blessing. I've got a lot of respect for Pandaji, and and he's always there, and sometimes just to give us just moral support. He'll say to us, Bas Mataji to Sharde, Mataji Yana, so he's always been there for us.
Thank you so much, and I wish you
Welcome.
all the best for your next game.
Thank you. Jai Mata Di.
Jai Bharat. Thanks, Swati. यू हैड
Thank you.
आपने बहुत अच्छा गेम खेला। आज आपका पहला गेम था एज ए वुमेंस क्रिकेट टीम जो हिंदू टेम्पल ने ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया है आपके लिए। तो मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ कि ये जो प्रोजेक्ट अभी स्टार्ट हुआ है, ये इससे पहले इनिशिएटिव नहीं था, तो आपने क्यों ज्वाइन किया और आपने ज्वाइन करके आपको कैसा फील हुआ? अभी तक आपने 6-7 हफ्ते से आप खेल रहे हैं यहाँ पे, तो इसे अपने बारे में बताएं कि इस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बताएं।
या इस प्रोजेक्ट से एक्चुअली हमें दूसरे लोगों को मिलने को मिलता है और एक्चुअली मैं कुछ काम नहीं करती हूँ यहाँ पे, तो आउटसाइड तो मैं जा नहीं सकती, तो घर में बैठ के बोर भी हो रही थी। लेकिन इस क्रिकेट प्रोजेक्ट से मैं बाहर आ गई और दूसरों से मिली और मैं क्रिकेट भी मुझे पसंद था कि खेलना, तो इस प्रोजेक्ट से वो मैं कर पाई।
आपने जब क्रिकेट खेलना शुरू किया, आप 6 हफ्ते से प्रैक्टिस भी कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, तो आज आपका पहला गेम था एक अच्छी टीम के अगेंस्ट में, एक क्लब लेवल टीम के अगेंस्ट में, आपको खेल के कैसा लगा?
अच्छा लगा क्योंकि वो स्ट्रॉन्ग टीम था, बहुत साल से खेल रहे थे। हमारा पहले गेम था और हम लास्ट मंथ से ही प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे और अच्छा था। उस ऐसे टीम को थोड़ी रन से लॉस हुआ, लेकिन ठीक है, नेक्स्ट टाइम हम ट्राई कर सकते हैं।
नो डेफिनेटली आप लोग जिस हिसाब से प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, आपने बहुत से कैचेज की कोशिश भी किया। ठीक है, कैचेज मिस होते हैं, बट आई थिंक इफ यू कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग, आई एम श्योर यू कैन गिव इट अ गुड चेस टू द सेम टीम इन द नेक्स्ट टाइम। थैंक यू सो मच स्वाति।
थैंक यू।
Hey Shefali, thank you so much. You had a fantastic game today. I have one question for you. So, what are your views about training, coaching, and practice sessions? Because I heard, because you guys started just a few weeks back.
Yeah.
So, what are your thoughts about this, the training, coaching session? What Temple community has set up for you folks to learn?
Yeah, it's really good and it's easy for all of us to get there, and and it's a really good community. We all support each other and make sure if anyone's available, then we communicate very well. Training, Coach Umar is excellent. You're our coach, so it's really good. And
Thank you for saying that.
It's amazing, to be honest. Nothing bad to say.
Oh, thank you so much, Shefali. Cheers. Thanks, Purvi. It is our first game with this Hindu cricket community team, the women's team, what we set up. And I'm going to ask you one question today. Tell us your views about today's game. Is there anything you would like to change in the future? Because we played this as a group. It's the first time we played here.
No, actually, we just need to keep practicing. The girls have such great skill. Each girl has their own skill. We just need to bring it together, come around and bring a team out of this. Just practice. I think we already have such a great skill in the team, because we Indians, we love cricket. It's in our veins, one way or the other. So you just need to, how एक हीरा को तराशते हैं, हमें बस हीरे को तराशना है. That's it.
Thank you so much, Purvi.
Hey, cheers.
2, 1, big smile.
Yeah.